A little bit about my background. I was in the financial advisory business for 27 years. Um, and through those many years, I owned a lot of different companies. And even after I'd sold my company, I owned a bunch of different companies. I think we ended up with 19 different companies that I bought and sold myself. So I kind of got into the business almost by accident. And there, late in later years, about 4 years ago, my wife got some cancer, and we went through that for a few years. And because of that, I actually started selling off some of my companies. I ended up with only 2 companies, which is what I own now. And I was looking for an industry, something I could get into that I could still make 7 figures every year, and something also that I could work a 9 to 5 if I want in a Monday through Friday kind of situation. And I came upon in the brokerage business, and I figured out that I could accomplish all those things by doing the business brokerage. So that's kind of how I got into it. What now, 3 years ago, and it's been great ever since.